Today's plan is to make you know, the front seat mount thing, weld it, make these small pieces of metal to weld it to the tunnel, so there will be no gap in between. And gonna also take silicone underneath the tunnel, inside, and also underneath the floor in the rear and on top. Then I'm gonna do some rust priming in the car and on the tunnel, and I'm gonna do the same thing underneath, and then I'm gonna do some for the underneath of the car. So yeah. So these are the gaps, this side and on the other side. So now we're waiting for this silicone to dry. So now I'm thinking that I'm gonna tape. And what's it called? Mask around the tunnel and like most of the car. I think, at least, so I can prime this, let it dry, then spray it. It's not gonna be this silver because I don't have this silver color, but it's gonna be something silverish. So gonna let this dry. Gonna mask up the underside of the trunk. So it's been primed. I'm gonna wait. This dries really quickly. Actually, I think it's only takes, I don't know, not that long. Then I'm gonna take some of this. Put silicone all the way, well, almost all the way to the front. In the front I forgot. Right at the very end. I need to make a metal plate to cover up this big hole. And also I maybe will need to do some on the left side as well. About here. Thanks for watching. Bye.